uyabona senior player no not senior player, tired player akahlale phansi ayophumula umbunjana ngoba asikwazi bafethu ukudliwa kanje. Uyabona ekseni masivuka sigezela ukuza kule game size sazi ukuthi la siyofika sibulala abantu. Uma uyibheka i-first 45 minutes labantu besibabulele sibaqedile so ukuthi ukhohliswe ngibani nge-second half ukuthi sesiwinile angazi ngoba to lead 1 goal up does not mean that you have won the game. I-game uyiwina amakhala the last whistle. Lana sizibulele bafowethu kodwa ngithi kumaGalaxy asiqhubekele phambili silwe ucoach ne-management ke bahlale nombunjana bamenzela idile enhle yokuhamba yophumula ekhaya. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu.
Shando ngembe kokuthi ngikwekele, do you believe if kule game yanamuhla le Nedbank Cup abo uyiwinile betobe ingeze inhlitiyo in terms of the campaign lenayo because bonyelo nakubethwe premiership akuhambi kahle Shando kaNdaba? Do you believe the cup lena this is the worst, is it correct to say this is the worst season i-TS Galaxy eke yabanayo ku campaign South Africa ku top 5 football?
Engifuna ukusho ukuthi le season le yimbi kakhulu. Uyabona nje njengoba ngishilo ukuthi if you check all the games esiwaluzile siluziswa ama player wethu nini besidlala ne-Pirates wadecide ukuba korela nje ilanga lishisa libalele washaya on goal. So ke sisitshela ukuthi sizothatha le cup sihambe siyorepresenta le country Africa izinto zethu zonke zihambe kahle kodwa nakahambi kahle kodwa ke elokugcina ngithi sasizosixolisa nge-Sundowns bese impela inyanisa nayo nje into engisele ngayo kulonyaka usixolisa nge-Sundowns i-Pirates isali sithathela icup layo
Shando kaNdaba ngiyabonga.
siyadumuza
Nayo-ke.
nako.